Hi everyone, I'm Jesse from Farol Ltd, and today I'm stood here with Kerr, who is our plant sales manager, and he's going to talk us through this new Yanmar digger.
Good morning, let's have a look around this new Yanmar ViO82 with the double VIP system on it. Starting from the front of the machine, you'll see this one is piped from the factory for a hydraulic quick hitch with a switch in the cab already. Double set of auxiliary pipes, so full flow and also rotation. Both of them are completely variable from inside the cab on tonneometers. Check valves on the lifting rams and the blade ram for safety, with an overload monitor in the cab as well, and of course protection on the cylinders and LED lighting on the cab, and a rocks guard on top for extra protection from falling objects. Coming to the cab, full size cab door with plenty of handrails, easy to get in and out. Big, spacious, European sized cab. The window opens fully, allowing airflow in the summer and good visibility. So you've got the full opening of the window, which is unique to the Yanmar, where the window is stored up in the top window. Got the electronic display panel on here, it's all your daily checks. It also tells you how many hours the machine's been operating on every day. If we go through to the calendar option, you can see how many hours on each day it's been used. The usual controls: air conditioning, auto idle, economy mode, travel speed, lifting mode to switch on the lifting that's built into the cylinders, and the control for the quick hitch. So all the panels open extremely easily for all your daily checks. All your filters are nice and easy to get to, all your fluid levels. Side opens as well, so you can get to the battery, and also we've got a refueling pump in here, so you don't have to fill up from horrible jerry cans, you can just pump it in nicely from a clean tank. It's all automatic with a sensor in the tank as well. We've got a diesel tank in here, but never really need to fill it from that with a refueling pump. Hydraulic tank, of course everything's nice and easy to get to as well. And then you've got a toolbox underneath, store some spare bucket pins or any other bits and pieces, lifting chains that you need. So you'll see on this ViO82 we've got VIPS 2 system, which basically means it's got two fully variable hydraulic pumps, putting out 270 litres a minute as opposed to 205 on the ViO80.
Well, thank you for watching.
And if you want to get in touch with us for some more information, it's kerr@farol.co.uk, or the usual Farol website address, www.farol.co.uk, and we'll get one of these brochures sent out to you as soon as we can. Thank you very much.
And remember, subscribe to our channel.